Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since the last time I uploaded. It's actually been 2 months. So here's another video for all of you. So I hope you like it. So if you're an incoming architecture student or an ongoing architecture student, then this video is for you. So just keep on watching. Akala na iba, architecture is just drawing. Ayan, drawing lang yan. Mga ganon. Since hindi lang po siya drawing lang. So here are some tips from a 4th year architecture student on how to survive in architecture. Okay, so kilala yung course natin as laging walang tulog, laging puyat, which is true. Kung ayaw mo magkaroon ng eye bags and ma-stress na sobra sa school, first thing to do is to manage your time wisely. Ang masasabi ko is pagkabigay ng plate, is gawin nyo na siya agad. Mahirap man siyang itatak sa isip na simulan agad kasi nga malayo pa yung deadline. Pero kailangan nyo na siyang simulan agad kasi kung hindi nyo siya sinimulan agad, makakailang oras ka lang ng tulog sa araw-araw sa buong week. And isa pang bagay na kung bakit kailangan mo siyang simulan agad kasi hindi siya madali. Okay? Hindi siya yung parang kaya mong tapusin ng ilang oras lang. No. It takes days in order to finish a plate. Depende pa yung kung ano yung requirements ng prof mo dun sa plate na yun. Kasi usually, kunyari sa design, sa architectural design, usually ang laman ng isang plate lang usually ang binibigay sa architectural design. Pero isang plate na yun is, ang laman yun ay meron kang floor plan, meron kang site development plan, meron kang concept board, meron kang 4 na section, meron kang 4 elevations, meron kang perspectives. Hindi ko alam kung may nakalimutan ako. Hindi lang yun yung struggles mo pagdating sa architecture, yung pag-render. So, sobrang nakakatagal din talaga yun sa paggagawa ng plate, yung pag-render, kasi lalo kung mahina yung specs ng laptop mo. Kasi sa architecture, kailangan talaga yung specs ng laptop natin is sobrang taas para mabilis yung rendering and yung processing niya. Okay, so for more tips when it comes to architecture laptops, I'm going to link down my video below where I recommended some best laptops for architecture. Okay, so next tip on how to survive in architecture is to expand your network. Itong part to, masasabi ko na isa siya sa dapat na in-apply ko pa lang nung first year pa lang ako. As a 4th year architecture student, I recommend na first year pa lang kayo, mag-join na kayo sa mga organizations, RT-related organizations. Also to join some competition. Ngayon, dahil sa mga organizations na yun and competitions, we meet new people. And from those new people, we learn from them. Kasi sa mga organizations na yun, or competitions, hindi lang mga ka-level natin na first year din, yung mga makikilala natin doon, may makikilala tayong mga higher years, which is actually a good thing kasi marami tayong matututunan mula sa kanila and even from our co-classmates. Pero although ang competitions is usually pag nag-third year ka na, I recommend na mag-join in kayo sa competitions although mahirap siya isabay during school kasi marami kang matututunan doon, yung experience mo, and at the same time malalagay mo rin siya sa resume mo in the near future. And one more thing, binanggit sa amin to ng prof namin dati na dapat for engineering course is meron kang kakilalang one or more than like yung mga electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. So makakatulong to in the near future or even during your architecture 5-year course kasi like di ka magpatulong sa kanila or magtanong ng mga bagay na hindi mo alam kasi hindi lahat. Sobrang lawak ng architecture, like sobrang dami natin hindi alam. Habang estudyante pa lang is dapat meron talaga tayong knowledge about engineering kasi as an architect hindi pwede yung hindi natin alam yung ginagawa nila. So dapat alam din natin kung ano yung trabaho nila. Number 3 is to embrace Control S. Sanayin yan siya sa sarili nyo. Okay, kapag gumagawa na kayo ng plate sa AutoCAD, yung laptop natin is napupush siya ng sobra and nagkakos ng pagka-crash. Kapag nag-crash yun, automatically, alam nyo na. So, ayaw naman natin mawala yung sobrang habang hinintay natin pag-render dahil lang nag-crash yung laptop natin dahil hindi kinaya ng specs ng laptop. Or even sa paggagawa ng AutoCAD or ng SketchUp file, maganda na Control S lang kayo kasi mahirap na pag nag-crash yan tas hindi na-recover. Although, sa AutoCAD naman meron siyang recovery file. Para sigurado na rin, embrace Control S. Fourth tip on how to survive in architecture is to know your codes. So these are the building codes. Sobrang dami nito. Like, meron tayong PD 1096, National Building Code of the Philippines, RA 9514. Tama ba ako? Which is the part code of the Philippines. You have the RA 9266. Sobrang dami niyan. So, ang nangyari kasi kapag first year pa lang is hindi pa nakabase yung estudyante sa codes. Pero I suggest or I recommend that i-check nyo na agad yung building codes na yun. Although mahirap man, pero maganda kasi na i-apply na natin siya agad kahit first year student pa lang. Because it is our job as an architect to make people safe from our buildings. Okay, so mapag-aaralan nyo itong mga codes na to pagdating ng 4th year Professional Architecture Professional Practice. So, hanggat malayo pa, magandang nasisimulan siya agad or nababasa nyo ng konti yung codes na yun. So, number 5 is to learn how to speak in public. Okay, so this is actually one of the skills that I lack as a future architect kasi medyo mahina ako sa communication skills talaga. Okay, so habang architecture student ka pa lang, maraming presentations ang mangyayari, maraming oral defense ang magaganap sa inyo.
This is a microbot.
And para ma-survive mo yun, you need a good communication skills. So, habang architecture students pa lang tayo, sa loob ng 5-year course, pinapractice na tayo agad on how to properly present our projects. Kasi in the near future, kapag architect ka na, every client you have to present, every meeting you have to present, you really need a good communication skills on convincing your client. Kasi, kagaya sa amin ng prof namin, kahit gaano kaganda yung project mo, kahit gaano kaganda yung structure mo, kahit gaano karaming kurba-kurba pa yung kaysa-hadin, kung hindi mo i-convince yung client mo na ito yung structure para sa ito yung dapat for this site, walang mangyayari. Sayang lang yung effort mo and everything. Pero kung yung gawa mo naman is yung sakto lang pero magaling ka makipag-communicate, you're able to convince the client. So, kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na magaling ka mangumbinse, you have a great future ahead of you. Okay, sana all.
Sana all.
Architecture student ka pa, hindi mo maiwasan yan. Wala kang choice. Every afternoon term or every sem, laging may presentation yan. So, kailangan mo masanay na dun. Okay, so that's actually my last tip. Pero meron lang ako additional. Okay, ang ingin na ng construction. Which is dapat sanay na, ano nga yun? And that's actually my last tip. I just have an additional advice. Very cliche na. But just don't give up and trust yourself. Kasi kailangan mo yan sa course na to. As in, actually sa lahat naman ng bagay. Kasi sobrang hirap talaga ng course na to. Sobrang daming struggles. Sobrang fighting lang. Okay, so that's all guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it or learned from it. So don't forget to subscribe. Please like my video. And yeah, thank you. Bye.